I've got this foldable sack truck here from Stanley. Now, as you can see here, it folds nice and flat. It weighs only 7.5 kilos. It's dead light, but comes to life. You can pull that handle up there, and when you pull the platform out there, the wheels come out at the same time. Now, these are really large and rigid wheels which will go over some quite tough terrain. Dead easy to manoeuvre about. Folds down really small, fantastic for keeping in the back of the van, for handling all your heavy goods. It'll take up to 125 kilos worth of stuff. It's got the foot plate there just for tilting the thing up. It also comes with some bungee cord here with various tether cords across the product. So there you go. That's the folding sack truck from Stanley, available at Toolstop.